Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make pancakes. It is very easy and simple to make. It is loved by all age groups. It is usually preferred to eat during the breakfast. So let's get started. If you are new to my channel, press the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon and never miss an update. If you like the recipe, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. We require 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half glass of milk, 1 egg, half teaspoon of baking powder, salt as per taste, vanilla half teaspoon, sugar 2 cups, butter around 2 tablespoons. Now take a large bowl. First goes the all-purpose flour, salt as per taste. Now goes the baking powder, then the sugar. You can even use jaggery or honey instead of sugar. Now goes the melted butter, followed by the egg, for those who are vegetarians or those who don't like egg, you can completely avoid it. Few drops of vanilla essence, add milk as per requirement. We just want the mixture to be super silky. I prefer to add milk gradually as per my mixing. If you feel the batter has become too thin or too runny, you can add a little bit of flour and give it a nice mix. Be careful while mixing. The batter should not be too runny or it should not be too thick. If in case the lumps are formed, break all the lumps or pass it through a sieve so that the lump stays on top and the batter flows down. You can even break the lumps by pressing it against the sides of the bowl. You can see the batter is now free of lumps. This is the consistency of the batter we are looking for. Now heat the pan on a medium flame. Gradually start pouring the batter on the pan. Make sure your flame is on low once the pan is heated. If your pan is too hot, sprinkle some water over it to cool it down. Otherwise your pancakes will burn very fast. Gradually you will be seeing the bubbles forming on the top surface of your pancakes. These bubbles make your pancakes spongy. Since the flame is low, I have covered it with a lid for better cooking, but it is totally optional. You can cook it uncovered as well. Cooking it covered removes the rawness of the all-purpose flour, and also the pancakes rise a bit. Now flip it over. If the upper surface is completely raw, be very careful while flipping it, the batter might spill. You can see the upper surface is golden and not brown in color. This is the color we are looking for. This does take a little bit more of practice while making pancakes so that they turn golden and not brown. In the same way, prepare the rest of the pancakes. This is how the pancake will look on the inner surface and the outer surface. You can pile up all the pancakes, or you can serve it separately in dishes. Serve these pancakes with butter on top and fruits or nuts, chocolate ice creams, chocolate drizzles, any kind of toppings you like. If you like this recipe, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time with another recipe.